Hello students, hi, all is well. Now in today's video, ma'am will tell you one story and the story name is Goldilocks and Three Bears. So you all are ready to listen the story? Very good. Yes. Now see who is in our story? One girl. One girl and her name was Goldilocks. Yes, उसका नाम क्या था? Goldilocks. Yes, and do you know Goldilocks' hair was in golden color. She had a long golden hair. Yes, she had a long golden color hair. Yes, one day what happened? She lost her way in a forest. One day she went to the forest. Yes, एक दिन वो जंगल में गई थी. Yes, and she forgot the way. वो भूल गई उसके घर जाने का रास्ता. Yes, वो ढूंढते रह गई इधर उधर उधर and she forgot the way. Then what happened? She saw one house in jungle. Goldilocks saw one house in jungle. That house belongs to bear family. वो house किसका था? Do you know? वो house था bears का. bears का. और कौन कौन रहते थे वो house में? See, I'll show you. Papa bear, Mama bear and baby bear. Yes, Papa bear, Mama bear and baby bear. Then what happened? Goldilocks entered the house and saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. What she saw? 3 bowls of the porridge on the table. Then she tasted the porridge from Papa Bear's bowl. उसने क्या किया? वो जो porridge रखा था, porridge in the sense like it's like a खीर, yes, और खिचड़ी, yes, तो उसने वो जो porridge था वो स्पून लेके ऐसे टेस्ट किया. But she tasted the porridge from Papa Bear's bowl. See that Papa Bear का जो bowl था, it was a big bowl. और उसने वो टेस्ट किया. But it was too hot. Then she tried the porridge from Mama Bear's bowl. But it was too cold. Goldilocks then ate the porridge from Baby Bear's bowl. And she said, the porridge is just perfect. जो बेबी बेयर का porridge उसने टेस्ट किया था उसे लगा इट्स अ परफेक्ट. ना बहुत ज्यादा हॉट है ना बहुत ज्यादा कूल है. यस, देन व्हाट हैपेंड? आफ्टर ईटिंग द porridge, Goldilocks walks into the living room and there were 3 chairs. Yes, can you see? There were 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat on Papa Bear's chair, but it was too hard. Yes, it was too hard. Then she sat on Mama Bear's chairs, but it was too soft. Goldilocks then sat on Baby Bear chair, but it broke. जब वो देखो कैसे टूट गई चेयर, है ना? When she sat on a baby bear chairs, it was broke. Yes. Then what happened? Goldilocks went to the bedroom. She saw 3 beds. Yes. जब वो बेडरूम में गई उसने क्या देखा? 3 बेड्स देखे. Okay, what she saw? 3 beds in bedroom. Okay. First she lay down on Papa Bear's bed. but it was too hard. Too hard. It was too hard. Then she tried Mama Bear's bed, but it was too soft. Then Goldilocks lay down on Baby Bear's bed and she said, "Wow, it is just right." Soon she fell asleep. वो वहीं पे सो गई. वो वहीं पे सो गई. बेबी बेयर्स का जो बेड था वो उसे बहुत पसंद आया एंड वो वहीं पे सो गई. देन व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन 3 bears came home? Yes, उसके बाद क्या हुआ? मम्मा बेयर, पापा बेयर एंड बेबी बेयर जो जंगल में गए थे वो अपने घर में वापस आए. When the 3 bears came home, they were surprised to see that someone had eaten their porridge and sat on their chairs also. Baby bear was sad to see his broken chair. जो बेबी बेयर था उसने क्या देखा? उसने ये देखा कि उसका जो पॉरेज था वो भी किसी ने खा लिया था. यस. देन जो उसकी चेयर थी वो भी टूट गई थी. तो बेबी बेयर वॉज सैड टू सी हिज ब्रोकन चेयर. यस. देन बेबी बेयर ने देखा मेरा पॉरेज भी खा लिया है, मेरी चेयर भी टूटी हुई है. यस. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? आफ्टर दैट द 3 bears went to the bedroom. वो कहाँ गए? बेडरूम में गए एंड सॉ देयर बेड्स. पापा बेयर एंड मम्मा बेयर wondered who had slept on their bed. Baby bear was surprised. Baby bear was surprised. Oh, क्यों सरप्राइज हो गया बेबी बेयर? Because baby bear see a little girl sleeping on his bed. Yes, उसने क्या देखा कि एक छोटी लड़की उसके बेड पे सोई हुई है एंड baby bear was surprised. Then what happened? Just then Goldilocks woke up. Goldilocks उठ गई. Yes, and saw the 3 bears. और उसने क्या देखा? 3 bears देखे. And then she was so scared that she jumped out of the bed and ran away. और वो घर से भागते हुए बाहर आ गई. Yes, so this is the story of Goldilocks. और वो कहाँ गई? उनके मम्मी पापा के पास गई. Okay, so this is the story of Goldilocks. Yes, Goldilocks के हेयर कैसे थे? गोल्डन कलर के थे एंड लॉन्ग हेयर थे. Okay? Bye. All is well, beta.